Hi, hello. Hello, good
So,
evening.
yeah, good evening.
Hi, how are you, hello?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good?
Yep.
Getting well?
Yeah, but I'm still sick.
Oh, you're still sick. Wait, okay, yeah. But is it your eyelid, is it getting darker? Or it just because there's no light? Yeah, I think there's no light. There's no.
Better. It's the lighting.
I thought that you're like have a panda eye on this one.
Oh,
Like, yeah, it looked like you don't have sleep yet. Let me screenshot it and you can see on my screen. Nah, wait, let me send it to you so you can see what it looks like in my device. Nah, it looks like this.
oh,
Yeah, so it's like a panda eye. So I thought that you are
yeah.
getting worse. Okay, but no, yeah.
uh, Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then. So we'll start our lesson today. Hello, before we jump in to this today lessons, do you still remember what was the last material that we learned?
Uh, we made a business card. Yeah.
Yes. So what is a business card?
It's a card to like show what the business, like you can give it to someone so you can show what you're working as, something like that. Right?
Yes. Okay. So when we are talking about project, it doesn't mean a project if you don't share it to others. So you can share your screen. We'll try to host the previous project that you already create to the website, so so others can access it through link. Okay. Yes. Open previous code, and then you can copy all of it, and then create a new file. You can create a new file in a notepad, or you already have Visual Studio Code, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just open the Visual Studio Code, and don't forget to change your share screen because it's only Google Chrome. I cannot see it.
Okay. No.
Now, okay. You can click a new file in there. Yes, and then text file. Yes, and then paste, and then save. Control S. Yeah, you can do that as well. Uh, Go to the, yeah, where you want to store it. Hello business card dot html.
Like not HTML. Okay.
Yeah, okay. You already save it, and then you can go to the browser again.
Share screen again.
Yeah, and then actually you can open a new tab and just type free host HTML website. Free host HTML website. Hmm. Wait. Don't just do what? Wait. I think you can use the second one.
This one.
Oh no, it looks like a scam. You can use the first one.
Okay.
Oh no, it's still loading. Um, how about you can click this one? It calls static AI as static app, but I don't know why it doesn't appear in your screen in your browsers. You can copy the link and then open it. Nah, Sign. Just upload it. You don't have to sign up, I think. Click it. Open
Where
the
is it?
file. Where do you store it?
So then now,
That modified there. Again. Oh, we need to change the custom files in here. Click.
all files.
Hmm.
Can I upload
You
this
can
file?
upload files of this type. Huh? Why?
What?
It's HTML, right?
Yeah, it says the HTML.
Oh, wait. Open again the click upload again.
Fine.
Again, click and
Yeah.
then open all file. Before you open it, you can click right click and then properties in the file. Elo, I suggest you to share all your script. Now, okay. Right click and then properties. Hmm. It's already HTML file. Wait, so let's try other one. Now, how about this one? Click the second one.
HTML file. There.
Yeah, there you go.
Site?
Hmm. Yeah, visit site. Okay, wait a minute. Nah, okay. You can copy the link and then paste it and send it to the group WhatsApp ya. Mm-mm.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Nah, so that's all yeah for the business card. Have any questions before we go to the new lessons?
No, it's just the lesson. Living lesson.
No,
Number
yeah,
five,
okay.
right?
Yeah, but wait a minute. Let me share it to you. Wait. This one. Nah, so today we'll learn about CSS as I thought yesterday. So we'll dive into the CSS syntax more detail.
You share screen?
Yes, I will share screen. Wait. Ah, the first one is about selectors and also classes. Actually, we have already learned about it. How do you think? So what is a selectors and also classes?
Remember classes? It's like just a jumbled. It's like a class is like you can make a class of what is it? Like it's a specific thing from what I remember. It's like Put a whole code into one thing.
Yes. Yeah, 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 like that. Yeah, actually,
That's
that's
classroom.
already correct. So, when we're talking about classes, it's actually different from the Python. So, classes in the
Oh,
HTML and also Python is uh, really different things. So, in CSS, we are using classes to identify which one that part of our website to be modified. Okay, so you already know about the separations between the page. Yeah,
yeah.
so that is why we are using the selectors and also classes in the CSS. Okay, so the lesson goal to learn how to separate the site structure and also to master the skills of describing styles and learn how to style a specific section on a web page. Now, so the basics of CSS. CSS is a cascading style sheet, yeah, where is describing the appearance of HTML document. Yeah. So for example, if you have HTML, then you can also have a CSS. Then you can modify all the tag that already written in HTML. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So for the first one, when we're talking about selector, it's HTML tag. Okay. It's HTML tag. And then the next one is the value and its property before the colon. Okay. So selector, property, and value. Now, type of selector, it's really diverse as it depends on the HTML tag. Yeah. And then style that are applied to all elements with this attribute is encapsulated, yeah, by using this one, yeah,
Yeah.
brackets, the
Back.
brackets. Mhm. Now, so you can also use this one, yeah, using the selector by attribute. So if you want to create the type, which is the square, then anytime, yeah, you call the type of the square, it will design
Yeah.
the HTML content. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, unified style. Imagine a situation where we want to apply certain stylistic properties to the entire site at once. It can be a font, color, or size. So there's a universal selector. You can also use asterisk in here. So it will uh,
Everything.
design the whole document of HTML. Okay. It will change the font family and then also the color. Now, so you already know, oh, I have HTML and also CSS file. How can we combine those two files? So there's a link to make a connections between HTML and also CSS. Just put the link tag and then href and the name of the file if both files in the same directory. Okay, and then rel style sheet. Nah, like that. Have any questions?
So what they have to have a link.
You need to link it if you create the CSS file separately.
Okay.
Okay.
It's only if it's separate, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If we do or if you do the previous one where the CSS in the same file of the HTML, so you don't have to link it. Okay. We'll continue, yeah. So the next one is about classes and identifiers principle of CSS. So when we are talking about classes, it's identifiers of the HTML tag. You already know about the selectors, but sometimes you don't want to style all of it. You want to, oh, I want to style the H1 in the body part, but not in the footer. It will change. Nah, so class comes in handy. Yeah, you just use the selector by class. That means you put the dot in there and then the class name. And yeah, do the
Which
same
one?
thing as the usual CSS. Hmm?
Like, yeah.
Dot and
So
also class name.
Or to the class name or like example is H1 or what?
No, 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 like that.
Just write class name?
This class name. For example, yeah, hello, books, etc. It could be anything, depends on the HTML tag.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the next one is, for example, you have the HTML and then the class main tags. Then you want to design it, just call dot and also the name of the class main tags. Then it will design all of it. Okay. Now, if you want to use the next one, yeah, which is not the class but using ID, you can use the hashtag instead of the dot. Okay, so it's the similar thing, yeah, but in the HTML you are using ID properties, not class. Okay,
Class. So for the
yeah,
class you use a dot and for the
mm,
ID you use a hashtag.
yes, totally correct. Now, sometimes you want to, oh, I want to have the design similar for several tags, for several classes, or for several IDs. So just put comma. Yeah, call the selector, the class name, the ID name, and then all of it will have similar design. Okay, like that. Now, for example, H1 and also main tags, it will be like this. That means if you have H2 and also H2, H1 and H2, yeah, which has the class of main tags, it will have the similar design, yeah, for
Yeah.
the CSS1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so in the CSS, yeah, stand for cascading and also style sheets. So what is a cascade? Yeah, in a general, a cascade is a step arrangement of something. So it's like a stairs.
Steps.
Yes. Yeah. Cascading rules allow you to resolve situation where multiple styles are specified for a single element. So for example, if you want to use cascade, then it will change the color, yeah, using the class. Now, so the priorities of the cascade is the ID, the class, then the type. What does it mean? So if you have the P and also the cascade class, which one do you think that will be running
Purple one.
for this HTML5?
The cascade, purple. Color purple.
Yes, yes, the color will be purple, not pink, because the priority as in order. Okay, the ID, the class, and then the tag. Yeah.
Like cascade, like the one before,
Hmm.
like the order is like nothing, and then a dot, and then a hashtag.
The first one is the hashtag, the dot, and then the HTML tag.
So,
Okay. Have any other questions?
can you show the cascade example again?
Yes, this one. The previous one. Now this one. P color pink, the cascade color purple. So this one not be colored pink, but will be colored purple.
HTML tag for pink.
Hmm.
Then you change it with cascade.
Yes.
So could it be ID? Could it be like hashtag cascade or
This is the priority level.
yeah.
Okay. All good.
So can you put like ID equals cascade?
What the question again?
Can you put ID equals Cascade or not? Or is it just for
ID.
a class?
Oh, what the question again? Sorry.
It says like class equals Cascade. Can you
Yeah.
just can you say ID equals Cascade?
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. For the ID, this one. Which one the ID? Not this one. ID equal
Yeah.
and then the name. The ID names. Similar with the class. But the difference is in this as well, where you are using the hashtag.
So it prioritizes the hashtag.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Have the
Yeah, this is
questions?
I think that's it.
That's it, yeah. Okay. So share your screen and then open your visual. Open your browser. Yes. Okay. This one, there are, wait a minute. How many correct answers? There are two correct answers. Yes, this one correct. Yes, this one is incorrect.
Spread the structure. Ooh.
Appearance.
Yeah. What's the syntactic proof?
How you write the CSS using the following syntax. So for
Like if
example, P equal the brackets and then this one, this one. No, the selector and then
for me,
the selector is the
also like
P, right?
oh this
Then this one is no, this is the brackets. This is
oh
the
it's
open
just the
brackets.
beginning bracket.
Ah, the open
Oh
brackets and then the property and
this
then the
one's it's
dot and then
then closing.
yes, closing brackets. Cool.
Yeah. Supposed to oh tag
Transfer all style from HTML to CSS. So you need to change. You need to transform to the CSS file.
finger font background color.
Actually, you can copy paste the color. Yeah.
Yeah, just copy this. Right.
Yes, correct. Okay, cool. Number four, student only need to modify the CSS file. Yes. Cool. Try it. Okay, the next one. Okay.
Is it supposed to be ordered list to
Yes,
put the
there is supposed
numbers?
to be ordered list. Still remember how to use our ordered list? It's not like that. So when you are using ordered list, that means the UL you need to change it to OL, and then the list use the LI.
It's
Hmm.
a small L.
Yes, it's OL for the ordered, and for the U is unordered. Hmm. Why it doesn't appear?
Oh, it's because this doesn't haven't done this yet, right? Or is it supposed to still be
No,
numbered?
you don't. You don't have to change the CSS file. Just change the HTML file only. OL. Try to checklist. Is it correct or not? Oh yeah,
It's L.
it's supposed to be LE. Why you put L?
It's all. Because I'm not honest.
Yeah, I just see that. This one you need to change both HTML and CSS. -nya.
This H1. It's H2? Or is he so
Okay, so for the HTML, mm,
pre-tag?
yes, you are using pre until this one.
So do that. This one is P.
Yes. The HTML is already correct. Just go to the CSS.
Each one, and then is there like a line? Like a line.
Which one?
Do I need to like align it so it's in the middle?
Yeah. So to make that
Next align.
text align center, it's on the body tag. Yeah, not
Oh,
H1
I
tag.
know. Go for so everything's in the middle.
Mhm.
Right.
Mhm. This one is border ya. Yes.
Provide
The
attribute
next one.
to class ish.
As you can see in here, the
Yeah.
brackets attribute asterisk equal sign and then the attribute value. So the
Is it in
attribute is
CSS?
href, the attribute is href, and then the value is cat. So how can you make it? No, you don't have to change the HTML, yeah.
Change.
Just modify the CSS only.
Let's copy this.
I will give the one example, yeah.
Yeah.
This one for the cat, yeah. So you are using href and then the value, which is the cat.
So, so it finds the one with the cat.
Yes. So for the dog, just change the cat.
Has to be this first.
Okay.
It's the color. We
Yes.
just the color green, or do you need
Color green. Okay. Cool. Next
that?
one. Number two.
So a specific section or
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Correct.
oh,
Continue. Number two. Okay, cool. Number
smaller?
three.
Is
Just
it just
just
the
change
CSS?
the CSS, yeah.
To my CSS. Funny things.
Hello, wait. I need to go to the bathroom, yeah.
Yeah, okay. What?
Hey, cool. Number four.
Yep.
If you have any question, ask me. Yeah.
Yeah. Peter Nurse is the using the clone.
Yes, cool. Number five. Cool. But it hasn't finished. You already checked it. Okay. You just need to change, yeah, the CSS
CSS.
file as well. Mhm. Just put only the background color. Yeah, background color, colon, and then copy the RGB. Do the same thing until the brown class.
Right?
Yeah, like that. Cool. Until the brown, the last one. Yes, play it. Yes, similar.
So what's the
Yeah,
color in this? The color
the color.
for this because it's not showing me.
Ah, okay. So
Oh, where?
Actually, the color is already available.
Oh, it's
You
just
need, yeah, you just need to change the property only. For example, go to the CSS file. You don't have to change anything in HTML. The background color is already correct, but there's no font size. Eh, font size is typo, yeah. And also the color for the text color, yeah. It's not font color, but it's only
oh,
color. Nah, and then the font size, I think it's typo. Cise, is it?
is it support?
I
Oh,
think
it's
that's not.
size.
Nah,
Font.
font weight is also typo. No, 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 no. It's already correct. Font weight, not weight. Hmm. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one. Sip. That's all. Have
Yeah,
any
that's
questions so
honestly,
far?
yeah, so far so good.
So far, so
It's a
good,
lot.
yeah.
It's a lot easier to use than trying to style one by one like
Mm-mm.
this because it looks annoying. What is it? Because this isn't good. It doesn't look good to look at.
Yeah, you can change it later on.
Yeah, because it's all like instantly in the style. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So
I suggest you can do that, and the Visual Studio Code is open, or just create a new directory, then create two files in there. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Have any other questions, Ella?
No, I guess that's
No questions. So that's all for today lessons. Ella, yeah. We'll continue our lesson in the next sessions, and it will be about. Wait. So today you already learned about what is
CSS.
it? Yes, CSS. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then to be precise, it's about selectors and also classes. So what is a
Yeah.
selectors?
Wait, so what?
What is a selectors?
So like there's
Selectors is similar to,
this like what? Like a there's the variable one.
yes,
It's the one with
it's HTML tag. Yeah, selector is an
the
HTML
tag,
tag.
like with the
PH1,
H1
like
class
that.
ID, right?
Yes, okay. Sip.
Okay,
If you
wait.
don't have any questions, yeah,
Oh, wait.
we'll continue our lessons about
When's our next?
containers next
When's our
sessions.
next
Yeah.
meeting? When's our next meeting? Yeah.
Now, okay, yeah. I don't know. Maybe how about Friday? I don't know. Are you comfortable when I'm texting you, like asking your schedules or your available schedule, or you want to?
Yeah, it's
Uh,
fine.
oh, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I will confirm to your WhatsApp again. Just I will like that. Apa like before. If you haven't respond, I will follow up before the session so you can answer my WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. So have any questions?
Well, that's all.
Okay, so good job, Elo. So I will see you on the next sessions. Bye. Thank you. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Good evening.